Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from the stockpile. Y'all, it's been so long since I've been out in this stockpile. I forgot how to shoot a video out here. I was like, ooh, what do we do? So we're back out here, and y'all know I'm not into long intros, so we're gonna cut right into it. We're gonna be talking about TEMU today. So I've been getting contacted about doing TEMU videos for a long time. It's been a long time, since last year, since 2022, you guys. Since the end of 2022, I've been seeing the TEMU emails come through like, do you wanna promote TEMU? And I'm like, I don't know what that is. I don't know nothing about that. Yeah, I'll bypass. So I bypassed all of that because I wanted to give it some time to see what TEMU was about. But I've been seeing a lot of people that I know, like, and trust share TEMU, love TEMU, share some really good TEMU deals. So I said, let me go ahead and stick my foot in the water and see what TEMU is about. So I placed my first TEMU order. I got 3 different boxes that I want to share with you guys. I have not even opened them up. We are gonna open them up together and we're gonna see what TEMU is working with. So that is what this video is about. So without further ado, let's jump into it. All right, you guys, so I just had to get up real quick and go get some scissors and start to like pre-open this stuff because it's so much. I was like, who ordered all this stuff? And I was like, oh, it's me. So here's the thing about TEMU. Because of the prices with TEMU, I quickly learned that it is really like, I don't know, like it feels like when you're walking through the Dollar Tree and you feel like you can just ball out of control because everything is priced so cheap, so affordably. You like, you know what, I can afford that, I can get that. You just really feel like you can ball because the prices are so good. And the reason the prices are so good with TEMU is because although the company is based in the US, what TEMU does, their marketplaces, they allow for Chinese vendors to ship directly to us. So we're bypassing the middleman. And so you get those direct from vendor prices that make things just really, really affordable. And speaking of affordability, somehow I forgot to mention that I also have a 30% off code for you guys. So check the description box of this video. I'll have my code for 30% off of these items, along with links to everything that I'm about to show you. So let me show you the first thing that I got that I'm already hype about, and that is this baby right here. I'm gonna do an up close on these items so that you could see this. Let me take the plastic off too. This is really, really cute. But y'all, this I got because I'm gonna be 37 in August, and now I'm a lady of a certain age. I use more skincare now than I ever have before. You know, your skin starts doing new things when you cross over that 35. And so I needed something to hold my skincare. And so that is why I ordered this. And it was a really, really good price for the quality on this case, you guys. I love this so, so much. So this is the first item that I got. And I can say right now, this is a win for sure. Next item I got is because, and it's this baby right here, if y'all can see this. So the next item I got, this is actually a beach tote. And the reason I got this is because I just went to the beach a month or 2 ago. When did I go on vacation, y'all? But I went to the beach and I realized when I went to the beach that my beach tote game was not right. So when I saw these totes on TEMU, I was like, go ahead and order one of these. Now, what I liked about this was the material that it's made out of. It's not like a floppy beach tote. So it maintains its form and I don't have to be concerned about cleaning it, getting it wet. Because of this harder material, you guys, I feel like this is a really nice beach tote, especially for the price. So the next item I grabbed was this electric cleaning brush. And this is something that I can always use, y'all, especially cleaning the bathroom, the shower. I like that it had different options for heads. And this was priced really, really good. So I'm excited to try this out and see what it's about. Let's see what else we got. The next item I got, I know this is gonna be handy. Y'all know it's spring cleaning time. And this is a duster, but it has an extender so it can reach high ceilings, ceiling fans, all that good stuff. I feel like you can never have too many of these because you go through them over time. So I went on ahead and ordered one of these because that price was fantastical. So I can't wait to see what this is about, but it looks to be pretty solid just from the weight of the pieces. So this is a good move. And then this item I had to take out of the plastic because I was like, what is this? What did I order? Y'all, I ordered this for my son. I'm gonna put an image of what this looks like up on the screen, like what the online image looks like. But this is actually 2 pieces. And I thought it was gonna be a little bit different right here, but this is 2 pieces. My son is a gamer, and I got this for his room to hang up. I grabbed, this is kind of self-explanatory. I got some scrubbers because the prices on these were so good. Next thing I got was this mini electric iron. And so when I was traveling, y'all, I figured out very quickly that every place that you travel to does not have an iron. I'm kind of old school, so I'm thinking, you know, I'll just use the iron in the room. It's not always an iron in the room. I guess people don't iron as much anymore. So I hated walking around wrinkled, and I was wrinkled, y'all. But this right here, I got just for that purpose so that I can always make sure that I have a mini iron when I travel. So this is an iron, like a steamer that I can just easily steam my clothes with. And the price on this was really nice. So I'm excited about this item and trying it out. Next item I got was this huge, pretty water bottle. So I love these water bottles that kind of keep you motivated to drink your water. So each time that you get to has a different saying. 7 a.m. arise and shine. 9 a.m. let's get started. 11 a.m. remember your goal. 1 p.m. keep it up. 3 p.m. you halfway there. 5 p.m. you can do this, and so forth. So this was very cute and a really nice item to grab. I'm super excited about these cases right here. So these are jewelry organizers. These are travel cases that I can travel with, because I also realized when I just recently went on vacation that I just really did not have a good way to organize my jewelry when I am traveling. So I got a couple of these, and these are so cute, and the price on them, I was like, yep. This is the cutest thing ever. This is a strawberry cutting tool. So I eat a lot of strawberries, and I thought that this was so cute for making your food pretty. I don't know if y'all like me, but I like my food to be pretty sometimes. But this is a strawberry cutting tool, and this is going to be so handy. And so when I saw the prices on TEMU for sunglasses, I was like, yeah, we're definitely going to order some of those. But you never really know how they look until you actually put them on your face. So I hope these are cute, y'all. All right. TEMU might be working with something, okay? And the price on these glasses, I got a big face, I got a big head, and these glasses are doing it for me. All right, y'all, so this next thing I'm actually gonna plug up in this garage as soon as I get done filming, because it just got warm again. And so y'all know when it gets warm, who comes out but the bugs, the little creepy crawlers, and I don't play with creepy crawlers. So I like to keep these. These are actually ultrasonic pest repellents. So they emit like an ultrasonic sound wave, I guess. I already have some out here, but I can't have too many of them because I don't play that with the bugs. So I'm gonna be plugging these up to see how they work for the price. Yes, I hope they work well, because if so, I'll be ordering even more. So the next thing I grabbed was some omelet rings, and I got these in various shapes and different colors, all sorts of fun things that you can do. So I thought that these would be so neat and so handy. So I got quite a few of these. I'll show you guys all what they look like, but I thought that these were priced really great as well. And I'm actually surprised about the weight on these. These are very heavy. Next thing I grabbed was some bandana headbands, you guys. I wear a lot of headbands when I'm around the house, just like cleaning, walking around. I don't want my hair everywhere in my face. So I grabbed some of these because they were cute. I got them in a couple different colors, and the price on these was incredible. So making sure the stove stays clean, especially when you cook as much as I do, is a never-ending thing. So I got some stove covers. Yes, these came in a pack. I think this is a pack of 50, and the price on these, once again, was A1. So I got some stove covers just to put over the stove. These are just pop. You can just pop them on, toss them. Yes, yes, y'all. That is a win for sure. So next thing we got, I thought that these are so handy. These are actually sponge holders. So you can pop these like on the side of your sink to hold your sponges so you don't have to worry about where your sponge is sitting. I thought that these were really nice, and it came in a set of 4. These are so cute, and I'm surprised by the weight on them because of the price. I'd actually ordered some from Amazon that were similar that cost a lot more, and they are not as heavy as these spoons are. So I'm all about coffee. I drink coffee every day. I'm constantly trying to make my coffee bar look cute. And so that's what I got these coffee spoons for, you guys. But this is definitely a win. Like, I feel like if I ever need these again, I would only order from TEMU. I grabbed was these air fryer liners. So I am constantly using like foil or parchment paper when I'm popping stuff in the air fryer, especially when I know it's gonna be greasy. So I got these right here, and this came in a set of, this is either a set of, oh, it's 100 piece. So this should last for quite a while. So 100 of these air fryer liners that you could just pop in and pop on out to make sure that your air fryer stays clean. So another cleaning tool. Can y'all tell I like to buy cleaning stuff? If y'all can't tell from where we sitting, I like to buy cleaning stuff. So this right here is a pack of microfiber cloths, and it came in a huge pack right here. So I think this is a pack of 12 that you get, and this is another thing that I feel like you can't have too many of. So we got some microfiber cloths, and the material on these is A1. Like, it's spot on, you guys. I have not been disappointed so far. Oh, okay, yes. So I was excited about this because I don't know what my husband, y'all asked Matt what he did with our former Q-tip holder. So we had a Q-tip holder that was in the bathroom. That thing has disappeared. I don't know what happened to it. He don't know what happened to it. We just don't know what happened to it. So I got this as a Q-tip holder, and this is super cute. It's just a plain acrylic Q-tip holder. I will pop an image of what it looks like up on the screen because I'm sure y'all can't see it that well, but yes, this is it. All right, y'all. So that is my TEMU haul. And you know what? Final thoughts. I'm impressed. Like, straight up, I was not expecting such high quality of items for the price that I paid. Like, some of these items are priced cheaper than the Dollar Tree, but these are items that you would never find at the Dollar Tree. Like, it's some heavyweight items for these prices. So I'll definitely be back. I'll definitely be ordering more. Let me know if you have already tried TEMU, what you think about it so far. If you plan on trying it, let me know what your favorite item was for this from this haul. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.